everyone. Our sound today is a bouncy sound, and it's a sound ch 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 ch. 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 Excellent. Let's have a look at our pictures. Here we have some ch 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 children. Good. Ooh, these look delicious. Ch 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 chocolates. Are you feeling hungry? Ooh, this will make you feel even more hungry. Ch 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 chips. And ch 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 chair. Excellent. Well, our ch sound is a special sound because it is a special friend sound. There are two letters that make the ch sound, okay? And we're going to say ch 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 chew. That is the ch sound. It's made of a caterpillar and the horse. And the reason we say chew is because the caterpillar climbs onto the horse's nose and makes him sneeze. And he has to say ch 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 chew as he sneezes. So here is our ch sound card. Okay, we need to add it to our pile. Can you see? Special friends, two letters that make one sound, special friends. Here is our other special friend sound. So we're going to hide ch in the middle, and when we come to it, remember to point. Sometimes I forget, so I need to watch for you pointing so I know to stop. Okay, let's go. So this sound is sh, d, t, I, k, o, w, v, b, k, z, a, g, p, ch, 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 chew. Excellent. J, y, a, s, e, f, and sh again. So let's have a little look at our card. Here is the caterpillar and the horse. And remember, the caterpillar crawls up onto the horse's face and makes him sneeze. So when we say this, we're going to say ch 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 chew. Chew. We need to hear you sneezing. And then when we see this side, we just say ch, just by itself. Ch and chew. Okay, are we ready? Let's see if I can trick you. Will it be a sneeze or will it be the sound? Chew. Excellent. Good sneezing. Ch. And one more. Ch. Great. We'll stand it just there. So we need to practice writing our ch sound. And we're going to practice by saying chew, said the horse to the caterpillar, because it's the horse who's sneezing as the caterpillar climbs onto his nose. Okay, so we're going to say chew, said the horse to the caterpillar. So we can remember that we need a caterpillar and a horse for this special friend sound. Let's get ready to air write it. So we need a caterpillar and a horse, and we're going to say chew, said the horse to the caterpillar. Excellent. Once more. Chew, said the horse to the caterpillar. Great work. Now we can practice doing it on our paper. Are we ready? So remember, with special friends, They have to be together, okay? No spaces, all right? So we're going to say, chew, said the horse to the caterpillar. There we go. Leave a space for the next one. Chew, said the horse to the caterpillar. And the next one. Chew, said the horse to the caterpillar. There we go. Excellent. Have you managed that at home? Great, well done. Well, I need to rub these out, so I've got some space. Hopefully, you will have a little bit more space on your paper to do some more speed writing. So, I would like you to practice to do a Remember, it's a tall letter down the long leg. Ooh. Great. This time I'd like you to do a for robot. Down the robot and over his arm. And I think we will do a w for worm. Remember, down the worm, up the worm, down the worm, up the worm. Let's go. Down, up, down, up. Excellent. Do your letters look just like mine? Great work. Now then, let's see if Fred has been able to think of any words with this ch sound. But remember, he's very good at telling me the sounds, but not so good at pushing those sounds together to make words. That's where we need to help him. So, Fred, hello. You giving everybody a wave? Tell me the sounds. Okay. Ch, I, p. Chip. Excellent. Oh, well done. This one. Okay. Ch, o, p. Chop. Oh, you're so good. Have you got another one? Ready then. Oh, I think they're going to get this one. Ch, I, k. Chick. Oh. And any more? One more. Oh, come on then. Okay. Ch, a, t. Chat. Oh, well done, everyone. Didn't they do well, Fred? Didn't they? Gonna say bye-bye. Bye, everyone. See you next time.